We just finished dinner. Ava hung out right here, and now she has the hiccups. Did they go away? Don't cry. Ava. Hi, Ava.